How to add your name to a WhatsApp group chat. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone. You will then be taken to this page where you can view the chat list. From the list, open a group chat. You can see the name that you have set earlier. Now go back and go to Settings from the bottom right corner. Then select your profile at the top. Tap over your name to edit. Now clear the name and type in a new name in this bar. Then tap on Done at the top right corner. Once the changes are saved, go back. Then tap on the chats icon at the bottom panel. And if anyone mentions you by name, you will notice that the new name will appear and the changes will be in effect for the previous mentions as well. The previous name won't be displayed after you change it into a new one. So, by following these steps, you can add your name to a WhatsApp group chat.